Welcome to the Crisp Metrics. In this video we will see what are functions. Before that, let's see some normal things. So here we are doing simple addition of two variable. Here our addition will be 44, we all know that, it is a simple addition. But let's suppose, this type of addition, if we have to do 100 times, then we have to write this code 100 times. Then to solve that headache, we can use function. We have to use a simple def keyword to use a function, in which a is our arguments. Now remember one things, we can take any number of arguments in def. Okay, so let's suppose we want to make addition function of two variables. Use def keyword, and give a name to your function, like add, and for pass your arguments. Then for addition, tell your function inside that, you want to add, and print c is the result of addition. Okay, so function is declared. So, these function also known as reusable code. Let's see why. The answer is now for addition, you have to just call your function and pass your values. Try to solve it again. Pass 22 and 44, it will return you 66. Now let's see something new now. What if we want to get two things from function? Suppose we want to write a function in which it should return us addition and multiplication both. Use your def keyword and pass two arguments. Define your addition variable and multiplication variable. In addition x plus y and, in multiplication x multiply y. At use return keyword, and return both the things. Okay, so function is ready now. We know that it will return two values. So to get both the multiplication and addition, we need two variables, then call your function and pass your arguments. For example 23, 43. Now you can see, z is our addition, and u is our multiplication. So, this is all about our functions. We will see more things in next video. Please subscribe to the channel.